So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the different factors which is actually affecting the corona, or we can say the corona loss. So the phenomena of corona is affected by the physical state of the atmosphere as well as by the condition of your transmission line. So here we have defined some of the factors upon which the corona is going to depend. So first let us discuss about the atmosphere. So if we talk about atmosphere, so as corona is formed due to the ionization of air surrounding the conductor, and that is affected by the physical state of the atmosphere. So if we talk about in stormy weather, the number of loss is more than in case of your fair weather condition. Okay, so corona occurs at much less voltage as compared to a fair weather condition. So because your delta, which is the function of your temperature and pressure, will be different in different seasons, and in that case your Vd will be lesser in case of monsoon season, because in monsoon the amount of moisture in air is greater. That's why the ionization will happens at a very low voltage compared to a fair weather condition. Okay, so in that way we can say in stormy weather the corona occurs at very low voltage, okay, compared to fair weather condition. So in that way atmospheric condition will affects on corona as well as corona loss. The second thing is the conductor size. So if we talk about the conductor size, the corona effect depends upon the shape of the conductor and the condition of the conductor. So here you can see the R is nothing but your diameter, or we can say radius of the conductor, as well as your this factor. If we talk about mv, and here see, okay, there here it will be m0 and here it will be mv. Okay, so the corona effect the rough and irregular surface will give rise to more corona, because unevenness of surface decreases the value of your breakdown voltage, or we can say your Vd and Vv. So in case of stranded conductor, in case of your ACSR conductor has irregular surface and hence give to more corona that a solid conductor can give us. Okay, so here you can see in case of your, if the radius of the conductor is increased from 0 to 0.7, in here we are measuring the voltage in kilowatt. So you can see as radius is increasing, your voltage is also going to be increased. Okay, so it depends on the diameter of the conductor, or we can say the conductor size, as well as either your conductor is a stranded conductor or the solid conductor. Okay, the next factor is the spacing between the conductor. So how it depends on the spacing between the conductor. So if the spacing between the conductor is made in such a way that you're very large compared to the diameter. So if let's say one conductor is right here and another conductor is right here, so if the spacing between two conductor is greater than the diameter of the conductor, there may be no corona effect. Okay, it is because the large distance between the conductor reduce the electrostatic stress at the conductor surface, thus avoiding the corona formation. But what happened in this case? In this case, the installation cost of tower is increasing, because if we are increasing the distance between two conductor, it means we are making the arms of your tower more wider. In that case there will be more installation cost. Okay, but in that way, because the spacing between the conductor is nothing but it will going to vary the value of your d, that is nothing but if the equilateral triangular fashion, your all conductor will be if something like this. In that case, if the distance between all three this conductor is d, in that case we are considering d. But if the all distance will be different, in that case this d will be mutual GMD. Okay, so this will depends upon the value of Vd and Vv, or ultimately we can say the spacing between the conductor affects the corona. Okay, so here you can see if the spacing between the conductor is increasing, your power loss in corona will going to decrease. Okay, the next thing is the line voltage. So obviously line voltage is going to affect the corona, because the line voltage greatly affected corona. It is low whether no change in the condition of air surrounding the conductor, and hence no corona is formed. However, if the line voltage has such a value that electrostatic stress developed at the conductor surface, and that makes air around the conductor conducting, and that's where the corona is going to form. Okay, so line voltage is we can easily understand. The next thing is the effect of frequency. So corona is directly proportional to the we can say the system frequency. So when we derive, not we are going to derive, but we are going to take one empirical formula, that is called Peterson's formula and Poisson's formula, to find out the corona loss. Okay, in that lecture I will show you that your corona loss is directly proportional to the frequency. Okay, so for now you just remember that when we talk about corona loss, it depends upon the frequency. Okay, so if system frequency is increasing, in that case your loss is going to increase, and that is why in HVAC system the corona loss will be greater with compared to HVDC system. Okay, and last but not the least is effect of load current. So the flow of load current increase the temperature of the current, and it prevents the deposition of snow on the conductor surface, that will reduce the corona. So obviously we know that the load current is going to increase the temperature of the conductor, and also delta, it will going to increase delta, and if delta is increases, it means your VD and VV is increase. Okay, so in that way your load current is going to affect the value of corona. So these 6 factors are important when we talk about corona. In next lecture we are going to discuss about the corona loss. What is corona loss? Because I have already said that when we talk about the disadvantages, the first disadvantages is that corona is nothing but a kind of loss. So we will going to discuss how corona loss is there into the picture, how we can reduce the effect of corona, okay, and how we can measure the corona loss. Okay, so that we are going to discuss in next lecture. So thank you so much, see you guys next time.